Viewers and dear students, welcome to everybody. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we will discuss about the topic of 9th class course, unit number 1, matrices. We start from matrices. Let's come, we start. What is matrices? Who introduced the concept of matrices? One of the famous mathematician, Arthur Cayley. He introduced the concept of matrices. The word matrices is the plural of the word matrix. Now, Arthur Cayley defined the matrices and the form of arrays rectangular array of numbers. Of real numbers within square brackets. Just like we represent in this one, or parenthesis form. Just like we write in this form. It means that matrices are denoted by square brackets or parentheses in the written form. We can write the real numbers in the form of horizontal line, just like which represent rows. Rows are mathematically right in the matrix M. Rows are denoted by M. Similarly, a vertical line, just like we present in this one, it is denoted by columns, and it's equal to N. Arthur Cayley defined the representation of a matrix. It must be a capital letters. For example, A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. And its elements are denoted by a small letter. For example, A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. For example, we write the matrix form. If A is any matrix, we can write in the form of letters A, B, C, D. This is a matrix because here this is a capital letters, the representation of a matrix, and its elements are denoted by small letters. And also we can write in real numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3. It is also a matrix, but there is no alphabetic number, so we cannot write in small letter because there is no alphabetical alphabet is available. So it means that from the above definition we conclude that a matrix are represented by capital letters and its element are denoted by small letters. Now we are discussed how many orders we can write the formation of the matrix order form, order of a matrix. Generally, rows are represented by, we already discussed in the whole topic, rows are represented by M and columns are represented by N. So if we order define according to the rule M cross N, this is the representation of any matrix. For example, A is equal to A, B, C. Now the order of we can write in rows. This horizontal line represents rows. We already discussed in the order of matrix. And these are the columns. Row 1, C1, C2, and C3. It means that row multiplied by column. Here, how many rows? There are 1 rows, 1 multiplied by, and there are 3 columns. So the order of matrix A is equal to 1 cross 3. Now we are proceeding some types of matrices. One of the matrices is a rectangular type. A rectangular matrix. What is a rectangular matrix? According to the definition of rectangular, the number of rows and columns are not equal. So this will be called a rectangular matrix. Now we can write the definition of if the number of rows and columns of any matrix are not equal. This will be called a rectangular matrix. How we can write in the order forms? N not is equal to N. N represent rows and N represent columns. That means that both are not equal to each other. For example, we take one of the matrix X, A, B, C, E, F, G. Now, clear from the derivation, there are 2 rows and 3 columns. Means that 2 cross 3. So the order are different. It means that rows are not equal to columns. Here are 2 rows, 2 is not equal to 3. So this is called a rectangular matrix. Now we are proceeding to the next square matrix. What is square matrix? Square matrix means that if the number of rows and columns are equal, square and the number of rows and columns of any matrix are equal. An order formula implies n is equal to n, means that rows are equal to columns. For example, sorry for that. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now look here, there are three rows and three columns. Means three order is three and 3 cross 3. So this is called a square matrix. One of the example we are taking, for example, B matrix. B is equal to 0. This is also a square matrix because there are one rows and one columns. We can say that a square matrix order are same, rows are equal to column. Means rows are one and columns are one. So this is a square matrix. That means that for clear concept of the square matrix, we can say that 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, and 3 cross 3, up to so on, n cross n. So this will be a square matrix. If order are different for rectangular, what is the difference between square matrix and rectangular matrix? The main concept is we clear that from the diagram. So the order are different. 1 cross 2, 2 cross 1, 1 cross 3, 3 cross 1, up to so on. Means that n cross n's are different. These terms must be different to each other. Means that m not is equal to n. And here n is equal to n. From the above discussion, we have clarified that square matrix and rectangular matrix n is equal to n in the square matrix and rectangular matrix n not is equal to n.
Subscribe to
Those
my
are not
channel.
equal to n. Thank you very much. All viewers once again appreciate you in advance.